Is the Xgimi Mira 4K series really worth your money? Let's get honest, fast. So, the Mira 4K and the Pro version just launched in China, and honestly, they're shaking up the whole ultra-short throw laser projector scene. For about $1,000, you get a living room laser TV setup that could actually blow away your old big screen TV. Picture quality? It's on point. I'm talking true 4K resolution, HDR10+, and that massive 110% BT 2020 color range. Want a 100-inch screen but don't have a ton of space? This thing can do it from less than 8 inches away from your wall. Brightness is solid too. Standard Mira gives you 2000 ISO lumens, while the Pro gets a nice boost to 3000. It can definitely handle daylight, but if your room's super bright, you'll want a good ALR screen for best results. Now, for the gamers, this is where the Mira really flexes. 1 millisecond input lag, VRR, ALLM, all the specs you dream about are actually here. Sound? It's surprisingly powerful. You get a 2.1-channel Harman Kardon system with 360-degree sound, plus Dolby Audio and DTS:X. It's basically its own mini home theater. Setup is a breeze with GMUI 6.0, handling keystone, obstacle avoidance, and screen alignment almost instantly. No headaches, no fuss. Now, let's get real about the downsides. Right now, the Mira 4K is only available in China. It's not portable either. At over 5 kilos, this is staying put. And while 3000 ISO lumens is good, in really bright rooms, you'll want to invest in a quality screen. So, is it worth the money? If you're looking for a sleek, modern home theater experience, especially if you love gaming or want to ditch the bulky TV, the Mira 4K is a serious contender. If it hits your market, it's absolutely worth a look. I'm calling it. For the price, the Mira 4K punches way above its weight.